Here it is, our Pilipit. Morning guys, gawa tayo ng Pilipit. So I do have 1 1/4 glutinous flour. We'll add our corn flour, 1/4 cup. And mix. Then gradually add water until you make a dough. Okay? Back. So, add muna tayo ng water konti. Haluin nyo lang yan. Okay, gawa tayo ng galapong. Okay, unti-unti lang para hindi maano. Okay. Okay, ito na ang ating galapong. I-korte na natin ito. Pilipit. Kayo ng ganyan. Yan, gawin yung pahaba. Yan, pahaba lang. Ba? Ito na, and then gawin yung parang 8. Okay? Yan. Number 8. Okay, ganyan. Or you can twist it like this. Okay? Here we go. One. Let's finish this and then we will fry already. Ayan na, prituhin na natin. See. Okay, ours done. So, I'm gonna put one by one. Low heat lang. Lagyan natin ng space. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, hintayin lang natin mag-golden brown. Then we will make our syrup. Is lang ako ng asukal. Yan, medyo okay na. And what we're gonna do, put our Pilipit over there. We'll see. Nahulog pa. Yan. Okay. Diba? One by one. Here it is, our Pilipit. Yan. Gawa na ako ng Pilipit.